What's up everybody, Andrew back here in another tutorial and this is Infovids. Back in the old days when Charlie Chaplin movies were still in production, they were silent. And those type of movies are called silent movies. No dialogues, it's grayscale with a dusty film effect. Yet you don't need a DeLorean to make silent movies of your own in the modern days. Here's what you're going to be learning. Do know that there are two examples which we'll be learning how to make. If you want to know how to do that, keep watching. Okay, so here I have my video imported in the media panel and I'm going to drag it in the timeline. It looks like a regular video without any effects applied to it. But to add the funny or comedic effect, we need to speed it up a bit. And to speed it up, hold Control on your keyboard and drag the end of the clip. The shorter it gets, the faster it goes. The longer it gets, the slower it goes. That speed seemed good enough. But now go to the Effects tab. Drag in the old movie effect. Drag in the separate track if that helps. And then goes all grayscale. Next, search for another overlay. Go to old film and look for silent film. Or else you go with dirty film or very dirty film. And that produced the scratches along the video. But to complete this specific example off, we need to drag in the cinema effect. Or if you want, another viewfinder, like the vintage. Or if you prefer, you can go to frame and then drag in Cinema 21:9 for the sort of movie bars effect. And there you have it. There's the first example of the silent film effect. Let's head on to the next one. Alright, so the second example of the silent film effect is expanded. This time it has text and a little bit more clips, along with some more effects. So I'm going to start out by dragging the first clip in. I'll match to the media. And as you can see, it's slow motion yet again. So I'll speed it up. Maybe that was a little bit too fast, so I'll slow it down a bit. That seems good enough. Now drag in the same effects as before. And then put in your other clips. Do note that you have to make some space for the text. Speed these up as well. And drag in the same effects. And now that we've completed our old video effect, it's time to drag in the text. Instead of using a text frame image and putting on some boring text, we're going to make our own custom title, so you can use it in any project you want. Go to the Titles tab and drag in a default title. Click on Advanced. And then hit this button. It says Add Image. Add the frame in. Feel free to customize the text options. Do note that you'll have to delete this title and add it again. And it'll come on top. Change the font to sound like Georgia. And type in something. Add some text space. That's the look I'm going for. Then save it as custom. And text. Hit OK. And then go to the custom category. As you can see, I've made 2 custom categories so far. Delete the default title and copy this piece of text throughout the entire video. And now that we've finished changing the text, we'll have to delete the